Quick update today. Fit these guards on properly now. So, all but the bottom there. So this is now bolted in properly. I've just got to weld one last little mount on the bottom there, front and back. It's no big deal. Everything else is lined up. I got the doors on there hinged. At this stage, I'm not actually going to cut anything in them. I've still got to put the mesh in here. But as for the airflow, at this stage I haven't decided on exactly how I'm going to do the skid plate underneath. So I'm just going to ignore it for now, get it going, and then I'll come back to that later. And then I can redo the doors. And same thing, guards on this side. I just need to put the mesh in there. I am going to route that exhaust downward now. And then I've got to go through and cut up all the insulation to go on the inside. So yeah, I still need to go get some paint for it. Need to put some money aside for that. And you may notice that the extractor is still sitting there. I've put that on the back burner because I've changed my mind a little bit. I want to use it for something else. So that's where I'm at with that. I'll show you, it just hinges out this way now. You get access for it. So if it gets left open or something while I'm driving on the road, it'll the wind will just keep it blowing shut, and yeah, should be all right. So yeah, quick update for today. But that's as far as I've got. Oh, one more thing, I've got to cut this out. Since the exhaust is going to come out below for now, I'll probably just fill in this entire gap in the top, and run the exhaust down underneath and then dump it out towards the ground. So maybe a little bit louder, but it's not going to get caught on anything. And if I want to change it later, I'll just bore a hole in the top and send it straight up again. But yeah, haven't been getting too into everything. I've had a lot on my plate. But yeah, we're getting there.